Hello friends. So I thought I'll make a quick video of what I'm doing right now. I started facing a problem where my interior light stopped working. So I found out what the problem is, and as I do it, it's a very simple DIY. We all can do that. So as I do that, I'll just show you what the problem is and how easy it is to rectify it ourselves. We don't have to go to the service center and spend some bucks on that. So this stopped working all of a sudden. I have upgraded my music system. I have installed speakers and subwoofer, but that has nothing to do with this because the interior lights have its own fuse. So the problem here is the fuse is blown. I'll show you. So whatever you see here as number 22, that is your interior lights. The number 22 is for the interior lights. So why did it blow? I don't know the reason. The interior light fuse 7.5 amps, that is meant to power the reading lamps, one in the center and two in the front. I have installed scuff plates which also has lights, and I also have some logo projectors installed, which is under this door here. That could probably take more power than the 7.5 amps which is supposed to power these things. So what I'm going to do now is, it's been 4 years since I added these extra lights. So what I'm going to do now is, I'll show you the fuse box. I'll show you these number 22 where it comes in the fuse box. They also have this beautiful diagram here that points to the fuse box and how to remove that. So I'll show you how this can be done easily and quickly by ourselves. And I've already popped the hood, so let's get under the hood. And before we do that, let me turn off the ignition and make sure that nothing is powered on. So I'll go and set up the camera over there and then continue this, guys. Alright, so this is a fuse box that we are going to open. It has 3 clips, one on this side and 2 on these sides. So you just have to push these clips and lift this up. Same you need to do on the other side. Lift this up. Now you have the fuse box open. So inside the fuse box you have a fuse plucker, and there are a couple of spare fuses. So these are 10 amps, and as we were looking at the diagram, this is the number 22, 7.5 amps, which is powering the interior lights. So let's now take this plucker out and try to pull this fuse out. So be very careful when you are pulling this out. Keep on squeezing this so you don't drop it inside. It will be very difficult to find if it falls down. So right now I plucked this fuse out. If you can see it clearly, the fuse has blown. I don't know how clear it is, but let me try to show that. So so there you see the fuse is blown. It has to be joined. It's not, it's blown. So now I'm going to drop this here. Since I have extra lights, I'm going to go with the 10 amps fuse. So the purpose of fuse is, if the current is more than the fuse will blow over time. When the load is more for a longer period of time, the fuse will blow. That's the purpose of the fuse. Now I know that I have extra lights on this channel, so I am confident that I can go with the 10 amp fuse. 10 amp is not going to make a big difference. 7.5 to 10 is just a 2.5 amp difference. So you don't have to worry about your burning your wires. So if I put a 100 amps fuse in place of this 7.5 amps, that is a problem, because more current will the fuse will sustain, but your wires will not, and your wire will blow suddenly. It will burn. So 10 amps is okay. So right now I am pushing this spare fuse from there, the 10 amps one. So I did not show you how the spare fuse looks like. So let me pull out the other spare fuse. So if you notice this fuse here, let me try to show you. So if you notice this fuse here, this is joint. I'll pull this out of the plucker and show you. So this is a good fuse. It's joint in between, while the other one, which is blown, is, yeah, can you see that? It's blown out. So that's it. This is a simple thing which I've done now. And then let's try to switch on the interior lights. I'll open the door. Yeah, right away you can see the logo projector is functioning, the scuff plate is lit up, your reading lamps are all switched on. That's it, guys. This is a very simple thing that we can do it ourselves. There you go, all spick and span. Close the door, lock it, back to BAU.